Bring your water source to life with a fountain from Kasco. Once you have assembled your Kasco fountain or after you have prepped your Kasco fountain post-storage, it's time to install your Kasco fountain into your water source. This video will take you step by step through the process. Will be to ensure your control panel is properly installed by a certified electrician. It is time to prep the fountain assembly. Your first step is to ensure you have shut off the power at the control panel. Then grab your mooring ropes and attach them to the float. Locate one of the 3 rope holes and run the mooring rope through it, looping the remaining length through the end loop to tighten the rope on the float. Grab your power cord and quick disconnect and attach each end. Your Kasco power cord comes with a strain relief kit. Attach the available carabiner to the corresponding strain relief clip on the underside of the unit, as shown here. This creates slack near the fountain and helps ensure the weight of the cord and strain placed on it in the water will not damage the unit or cause the float to tilt. If a Kasco light kit is added to the float and includes a strain relief, attach it to one of the remaining strain relief clips to help distribute the weight of the power cords and prevent tilting. If you are dropping anchors into the water to stabilize the fountain, attach them to the mooring lines. Our pond in this video is lined, so we'll be using a bell anchor without any sharp edges so that we don't damage the lining. If your water source is not lined, you can use any type of anchor, such as a cinder block. Take a second at this point to plan the location of all your anchors. This will save you a lot of back and forth. Place it in the water near the shore and put the remaining anchors in the boat. Always tow the fountain by the mooring ropes and not the power cord. Pulling the unit by the cord at any point could damage your fountain. For your 2-rope anchor installation, this is our plan. Start at the fountain's desired location. Then take one anchor to anchor point 1 and drop. Then return to the fountain and take the second anchor to anchor point 2, which should be directly across the floating unit. For your 3-anchor install, start from your desired fountain location and head out to anchor point 1 and drop. Then head back to the float and at a 120-degree angle, head out to anchor point 2. Repeat this process one more time for anchor point 3. If you're using a shoreline anchor install, take your first stake and hammer it into the shoreline. Then tie a mooring rope. Then get into your boat and row with your Kasco unit and the other mooring rope. Once the first rope is taut, grab your second rope and row straight to the opposite shore. Then hammer another stake into place and tie the rope, ensuring it stays taut. Now you're ready to turn on your fountain. Once there is power to the unit, proper mooring will prevent the float from spinning in the water. If you do notice any spin, turn off the power and adjust the anchor placement as needed to stabilize the fountain. Then all that's left to do is sit back and enjoy your new water feature. And remember, if you have any issues, please give us a call at 715-262-4488 and the best customer experience team in the world will be able to help. Kasco, moving water forward since 1968.